Hello, puzzle friends. Welcome to today's video. So I'm super excited because I want to show you my giant puzzle. And I will start today my giant puzzle. And yeah, I think it will be a pretty awesome journey. And I'm so glad that you will watch with me. So let's see the box and what it contains. And yeah. Also, I want to say that I decided and I will do the puzzle back by back because some of the comments actually made me decide. And thank you very much for it. And yeah, I will do it by back by back. So 30,100 piece puzzle. No, 30,500 piece puzzle. It's both start. Just a bit. Happy puzzling, everyone. My giant puzzle. Let's talk a little about the box lid. So here we have the company. It's 12 Prime. Also, it says that it is unlimited fit technology. Marvel Studios, the Infinite Saga, the Ultimate Marvel Collection. So the name I think it's the Infinity Saga, and the collection is the Ultimate Marvel Collection. I'm sure. I need to double check. I think we have the puzzle image, at least a part of it, on the box, and it says 30,500 pieces puzzle, and it says that we have a poster included. Now, so I want now let's see here. So here on this side of the box we can see the old image. It says that it's smart puzzle cards, thickest puzzle. It's also made from biodegradable compostable components. Here we have the collection, again the name, number of pieces, brand, and ultimated fit technology. Now, on this part, again we have the puzzle image, the name of the puzzle, here, brand, and collection, number of pieces. It seems like on each side of the box is that. And I also have the box damage here because it came with some stickers and I was so eager to see what's in the box, and I kind of wanted to get them to remove them, like, like this. So I want to actually get the sticker down from the box and not leave them, and only cut them. So that's how I damaged the box. If I would know, if I can go back in time, I will cut them, but at that moment I was so nervous to see it, so I didn't have any much patience. Okay, and let's see the bottom of the box now. I need to. Okay, so here we have some information. The actual side of the puzzle, it will be, after assembling, it will be 198.6 centimeters, or 78.2 inches, and the height will be 100 37.6 centimeters or 54.2 inches. Yeah. Now here says the box contains 9 bags with 1,500 pieces puzzle each, marked with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E letters, poster which facilitates assembling the puzzle assembling instruction. Okay, we have instruction. And now how to assemble the puzzle here. And it says we should assemble the individual puzzle from separate bags marked with letters, and we should arrange the assembled puzzle as presented below. And we have here how. Then it said we should remove the marked puzzle rounds and set them aside. Okay, so we will have to remove some edges, I think. And then we should put the puzzle together. And also here says the fun doesn't stop there. Thanks to Ultimate Fit technology, you can create your own unique composition from the puzzles. For example, so we have here some examples. And yeah, we have the Marvel logo, the finest puzzle experience, it says that's the thickest puzzle cardboard, also unique puzzle shapes, assembled puzzle do not fall apart when carried, and that is something that I really want to test. So that's at the end of the box. I will put a picture so you can see much closer. And now let's actually open the box. So here we don't have nothing in the actual puzzle box lid. Yeah, and we start. We have the first bag. I put it here. Another bag of pieces. And another one. Hey, this is it. Okay, and the sound of these plastic bags is very loud. I'm sorry about that. And I have a bag that is not labeled, and I hope it's the C one, but we will see when we do the puzzle. Here is D, we have E, and finally F. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 puzzle bags here. Okay, that's and now we have mini book, I think. So here it's lost one of your 12 by puzzle PC. We know what to do about it. Scan the QR code or go to 12.me/complaints and fill in the application form. We will send you the missing pieces, and that's very nice. And here we have how to assemble. We have instructions and examples. Here are the English instructions, so I will put a picture about it. We have different languages like for Italy, France, Deutsch, and Spain, and English. Yeah, that's it. And the box still has one more thing, the actual poster. We have here a big poster. Let's open it. So here it's how the puzzle should look at the end, and we also have on the side picture for every puzzle bag. Yeah. Okay, so I had to make a closer look about this beautiful poster, and as you can see, the puzzle will be difficult in some places. Like here in the middle is all so red, like so red, but I think we will do it. And yeah, it's also said that we should cut this part, but I don't think I will do that. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I am super excited to start it, and I really want to actually expose it on my walls. So it's great that I can actually combine all those parts in any way I want it, so which it should fit. But I want to first make this image, and I think I will have enough space to put it together at the end, but I will not have space to mix all the bags, and didn't have enough space to mix all the bags and try to actually assemble it at once, because I don't have space and I don't have time, and yeah, I will. So I will try to put a video every Monday from now with a bag, with each bag. That's my goal, to actually be able to finish a bag in a week. Well, not in a week, I will puzzle 1 or 2 hours a day, but that's my goal. I hope I can stick with it. So in 9 weeks, this should be finished. Yeah, I think it's pretty doable, but we'll see. The fun fact is that I really want to do other puzzle in between. Like I already have here a puzzle started and a lot of pieces, colorful, great pieces, a Clementoni puzzle. But you'll see more about it when it will be done. So yeah, looking forward to do this beautiful one. So, thank you for your support. I hope you will stick to this journey with me. And yeah, please consider to subscribe in order to support me. Give me a like on this video. And also, until next time, stay safe and happy puzzling, everyone!